dog is the greatest of all dreamers. They are our guides, our teachers. They are in tune with Earth's symphony. And if you let them, they'll share the secrets of the world with you. Take them to nature. Watch them run carefree, awash with sunlight in their souls. Listen to them deep in the woods, where life becomes an amphitheater. Their quest, a rhythmic song. The soft trail vibrates beneath their paws. Water sings with thirst. Grasses whisper in their noses. Shadows flutter curiosity. Each hum reveals adventure and infinite bliss. Watch as they come alive. It's time to rediscover life with your dog. Go adventure together.